So, as you can see, the top of the trailer is pretty nasty, pretty dirty. So Jesse's going to clean it all off and reseal it. If I do it like this, scrub-a-dub-dub.
Yeah, fun. I'm putting this Henry Durabride white elastomeric roof coating.
Okay, and that's supposed to kind of just seal everything
Seals
up.
it up, and then, yeah.
It's not exactly like a leak thing.
No.
It's more of a preventative.
It's just a coating.
Yeah. Help with reflective and stuff like that. So, and we got this at Lowe's,
I believe so.
or Home Depot, one of them. I don't
box
remember
stores.
which. And it was like 20 bucks for this gallon, almost gallon. You notice they don't give you a full gallon anymore, which is going to be more than enough for if you needed to do 2 coats, probably.
Oh yeah,
okay.
easily.
Okay. No idea if I'm catching it or not.
It really helped if I was about 8 foot tall.
Yeah, there we go. Now you can see it getting covered. It's looking nice and pretty white instead of that old grubby black gray. Look at him doing such a good job. That's going to be nice. Hopefully that'll also help reflect some of the sun when we're camping, where maybe there's not a lot of trees and stuff. I don't know. Kind of looks like it might have to have a second coat. We'll see. Alright, so he's going to start applying that second coat because you can kind of see already where he's wiping the or rolling the second coat compared to where the first coat was there. You kind of see the difference. Stuff dries really fast. I don't know, maybe 20 minutes since he did the first coat, and he's already starting on the second, so that's pretty cool. It's pretty thick, but not so thick that you can't easily roll it on, which is nice. Alright, 2 coats is on it. Should be done with it with the 2 coats. Looks a lot better than it did. Still a little wet in spots there, you can kind of see that, but it looks a lot better than it did. Glad to get that done.